This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your PC is on a recent Windows 11 build. Newer builds behave differently. Once done, back up the registry. Export the branch you will edit so you can restore if needed. Then run Registry Editor as administrator and go to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. This is where the taskbar options live. You'll create or edit values here to change alignment and size. Start now, don't skip the backup. Next, you'll add the specific word values that control taskbar behavior. Create taskbar C and set it to 0, 1, or 2 to change size. Create taskbar AL and set it to 0 for left or 1 for center alignment. Make sure to enter the correct base, decimal, and double-check names. Typos will do nothing. Once set, you must trigger the UI to reload. Don't reboot yet. Instead, prepare to restart Explorer so you can confirm changes immediately. To apply edits, open Task Manager and Explorer. EXE, then run a new task named Explorer. EXE, the shell will restart and pick up your registry changes. Once Explorer is back, check the taskbar. If it didn't update, import your exported registry backup and try again, or use System Restore if necessary. Make sure you recorded each value you changed so you can revert. If things go wrong, restore the exported reg file. That's the fastest recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.